In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars every single day with CPA marketing. And this is XB Marketing with another video. And if you're new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So I'm going to be walking you through a very simple strategy on how to pick the right offers and make hundreds of dollars promoting CPA offers. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to a CPA network, and there are many CPA network out there that you can use. As you can see right here, this one is offervault.com. So basically you can come over to this platform right here and select CPA offers. Also, there are many alternatives out there that you can use. If you don't want to use OfferVault, you can come over to OG Ads. There are a lot of CPA offers on OG Ads as well that you can pick and start driving traffic to. You can also use CPA Grip if you want. There's also CPA Lead, and there are numerous platforms where you can select CPA offers and start driving traffic and make money. Okay, so I'll be taking OfferVault here as an example. So once you come over to OfferVault, and keep in mind this process applies to whatever CPA network you're working with. All right. So the reason why you want to use CPA offers is because as a beginner, this is the easiest way to make money online, as opposed to the likes of ClickBank or Digistore, where you need to sell a product before you make money. Whereas CPA, on the other hand, all your visitors need to do is sign up for an offer, install an app. That's all they need to do for you to make money. So once you've found a CPA network, you want to come over to the category section and you want to choose sweepstakes. Okay. So once you click on sweepstake, you are going to see a lot of offer. So I'm going to be taking this offer right here as an example. As you can see, this CPA offer gives people a chance to win $1,000 Walmart gift card. All right, so all you need to do is click on this run offer right here to grab the link to this offer. Or like I said, you can come over to other CPA network like CPA Grip, CPA Lead, and you can grab the link to CPA offers. All right, as you can see, this one right here, you can grab the link to this offer and start driving traffic to this offer. So now I'm going to show you one of the easiest way that you can use to start collecting targeted leads every single day. So you want to come to this website called lumen5.com and you want to create an account with them. Although they have a paid plan, but you can get started with the free plan. All right. Now you may be wondering, what do you need this platform for? You are going to be creating a video for the CPA offer, and I'm going to show you how to do everything. You want to go over to Google and type in something like easiest way to make money online. As you can see, since this is an offer related to making money. So once you do that, you want to click on some of the first link you find on this platform. So I'm just going to be taking this one right here as an example. All right, you can see this is an article talking about how to make money online. All right, so what you want to do from here, you want to copy this article right here. All right, so you want to go over to a website called paraphraser.io and you want to paste in the link to the article right here. So once you paste the link to the article right here, you want to click on this I am not a robot. All right, and you want to click on paraphrase now. And after a couple of seconds, you are going to get the paraphrased article. The reason why you need to do this is to avoid copyright issues. All right. So once you do that, you want to actually go over this article and go through it and make sure it's free of errors. All right. So once you do that, all you just need to do is click on this copy right here, and you want to go to Lumen 5 and you want to click on this new video. As you can see, this is a simple template that you can use to create a video right here. You don't need to be a graphic designer or a video editor. You can just click on any of the templates you find right here, and you want to make sure the video looks as good as possible. All right, so once you have the video created, all you just need to do is go over to this website called odyssey.com. all right, I'm also going to share with you another one that you can use, which is rumble.com. And if you come over to Social Blade, as you can see right here, over 100 million visits every single month. Although you can use YouTube if you want, but there's a lot of competition on YouTube and you may not get a lot of views if you post those videos on YouTube. But if you combine these two websites right here, odyssey.com and rumble.com, you will start getting a lot of views immediately. So you want to sign up for these two websites right here, and you want to upload the videos to these websites, odyssey.com and rumble.com. cpagroup.com because you have a higher chance of getting more views on this platform as opposed to using YouTube. All right, you can use YouTube as well, but you want to make sure you have those videos uploaded on this platform as well. So once you do that, you can come over to Offer Vault or whatever CPA network you're using, and you want to repeat the same process for as many offers as you can find on this page. And like I said, you can do the same thing for content locking if you want. If you want to use OG ads, then you want to use content locking. So you can lock a content if you want as well, or you can come to CPA Grip or CPA Lead and repeat the same process for as many CPA offers as you want. So that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on this video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.